Well, investing online is indeed relatively a new idea. It can be intimidating too, I can imagine. It's even more so when your choice of online investment is on small businesses. But then small businesses do need all the support they can get to flourish. This is why a group of creative minds got together to encourage other people to invest in small businesses in the form of LanteOTC. Now, it's an online stock exchange for small businesses right here in South Africa. To tell us more, we're joined in studio by actuarial analyst and co-founder, that's Emmanuel Luthuli. Good afternoon, Emmanuel, and thank you for your time on the PM News Desk.
Thank you very much.
Well, this is an exciting new venture here. In simple terms, tell us what your company does.
Okay, basically we're a stock exchange for small businesses. What we do, our purpose is, you know that 5 out of 7 small businesses fail within the first year of operation. We believe that we can save that by engaging the general public to invest in the small businesses within our communities at large.
Why are the small businesses failing, Emmanuel?
Okay, there are fundamentally two reasons why small businesses fail. One is because of financial hurdles, that's around cash flow and funding. Number 2, it's cognitive decision making. You know, in cognitive decision making, small businesses are faced by complex arrangements. In them having to make judgment on a day-to-day basis, it becomes difficult for them. At the end of the day, they may set a wrong footing and get off track. I mean, take for instance, a bread manufacturer recently started a year, 12 months, in 12 months of operation. He has a shelf, perhaps at a local store. Perhaps let's take, for instance, Pick and Pay. What are the chances for a traditional community resident having to pick or select that particular type of bread? The chances are very slim. We realize that people only care about things that they own, or perhaps they have ownership in. So if we take the general community and enable them to purchase share or equity on the small businesses within the community. Say, for instance, that bread manufacturer, if I owned, say, 1% share in the bread manufacturer, chances are when I get to Pick and Pay, I'll purchase that particular bread, and further on, I'll tell my friends and family to only buy that particular brand as compared to the traditional brands that we've been purchasing before. That's the only way we believe that small businesses can penetrate the market.
How much of buy-in do you get, Emmanuel, from people regarding the concept of investing in small businesses? Is this still a challenge?
Yes, it is a challenge. I mean, given the risks as well as the framing of small businesses. But bear in mind that LanteOTC is an actuarial firm. That means you've got great minds, professional minds, vetting all the companies before they're actually listed on that particular platform, such that we are reducing the risk. Bear in mind that we're not saying that we are eliminating all the risk, because if we eliminate the risk, we're also eliminating the chances of you making any profit. We're not selling any guaranteed profit, but we're giving you a platform to invest or support the small businesses within your relevant community.
Emmanuel, you ran a demo system, I think it was for about a month, and there was a stampede on your website.
Agreed.
Tell us about that.
Agreed. We received about over 3,000 now people that had registered on our platform. That's on LanteOTC.co.za. We're actually very much impressed. Perhaps people realize or they're familiar when they see brands that they know and love or are interested in. They want to see what's happening. So having to create a particular platform that shows people the brands that they know and love or they are passionate about, or whether it's a nephew, small business, etc. They want to invest on a transparent platform such that with monitoring controls, where they can see where their investment is going and where their investment is ending up at. Yes.
In a nutshell, what are the challenges you face, Emmanuel?
Currently, we are in the process of registering with the FSB. We're collecting all the necessary requirements. I mean, you've got to understand that we are of the perception that basically, if a platform is over-regulated, particularly in the financial services industry, if a platform is over-regulated or under-regulated, you tend to chill down entrepreneurship. as well as creativity. We believe that if a fair platform, a financial services regulator, or any regulator for that matter, should not particularly substitute regulation in the form of care on the investor side. I'm not too sure if that makes any sense, but we don't think that regulators should be offering guarantees for the investor.
Thank you, Emmanuel. I'm afraid we'll have to leave it there. We are out of time. Moving on.